Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix missing bookmark bar in Google Chrome Windows 10. So if you like saving different links or websites so you can use them later on, but you have noticed that your bookmark bar is missing and now you want to access it, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to open the Google Chrome. So here as you can see I have this bar which is the bookmark bar, and I have this option for all bookmarks through which I can access it. But if you don't have it, then what you can do? You have to enable it because this one is disabled. So you have to click onto these three dots, then all these options will come up. From these options you have to select settings, then you will get this page. Now on the left side you have different options. You have to click on to appearance. Once you click onto it, then again you will see some of these options. So from all these options we have this one for the bookmark bar. If you have disabled it, simply click onto it, it will get enabled, and at the top you will see the bookmark bar will get enabled. So if it get disabled due to any reason, you have to go to the settings and simply enable it. Then you will have the bookmark bar through which you can access all of your bookmarks that you have saved. So that's how you can fix the missing bookmark bar in Google Chrome Windows 10. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.